Hey guys, welcome back to Up Quick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Harmo Slim weight loss supplement. So, in this case, you might be wondering what is Harmo Slim here that you may be hearing online. So, Harmo Slim is a dietary supplement that's marketed as a weight management product for people looking to support their weight loss goals alongside a healthy diet and regular exercise. Now, according to the product listing here, the supplement is made with a blend of natural ingredients and comes in a bottle containing 60 capsules. Now, it's designed as a daily supplement rather than a meal replacement or a shake. Now, the formula includes several commonly used ingredients found in weight management supplements. Now, depending on the product listing here, this include green tea extract, L-carnitine, and glucomannan, chromium, ginseng, prickly pear extract, hops, coenzyme Q10, and soluble corn fiber. Now, the manufacturer states that these ingredients are included to support fat metabolism, appetite management, energy production, and normal carbohydrate metabolism as part of a calorie controlled diet. Now, using Harmo Slim here is quite straightforward. Well, in this case, you just need to follow the dosage instructions provided on the product label here. Now, the manufacturer recommends taking the supplement consistently each day and combining it with a balanced diet and regular physical activity. As with any dietary supplement, it's important not to exceed the recommended daily serving listed by the manufacturer. So that's why checking the actual recommended dosage here on the packaging itself is highly recommended. Now, also, with any kind of products or supplement that you may be taking in the future, it is highly recommended that you consult your doctor first. So especially if you have like pre-existing medical conditions or you're already taking some medications alongside this one. Well, in this case, consulting your doctor is the best option first before trying it. Now, in terms of pricing here, the specific listing here, or the product listing here that we are seeing right now, one bottle contains around 60 capsules, but depending on what website, or if you're visiting their official website, well, sometimes they do have 30 capsule versions or 60 capsules here, but currently, the price here may vary depending on your location and promotions, taxes, and shipping costs at the time of purchase. So bundle offers may also provide or may also be available through certain retailers. Now, one of the main features here of Harmo Slim is that it combines several well-known weight management ingredients into a single formula. Now, that's according to the listing here of the product itself. Now, for example, glucomannan is a soluble fiber often used to promote fullness when consumed with water as part of an energy-restricted diet. With green tea extract, L-carnitine, and chromium are commonly included in supplements intended to support normal metabolism. Now, the product is also promoted as using naturally derived ingredients and is designed for convenient daily use in capsule form. But that's about it. Now, like what I said before, it is in this case recommended that you consult your doctor first, especially for pregnant or if you have an existing or pre-existing medical condition. But that's about it. So for this video, don't forget to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.